So here, this is array list. We have started here with writing a program of array list, and what we have done is that we have created an array of 5 different elements. That is, we have added 5 names into this array list. The name of this array list is AL. Initially, what we have done is we have displayed the content of this array list. So we'll be getting output that Ravi, Vijay, Ajay, Anuj and Gaurav. This will be output. Now here we are using one function called as a remove that we have done yesterday, that will be removing Vijay from this list. So totally we have 5 elements, and after this removing, so there will be only 4 elements. So after removing, using this remove function, the Vijay will be removed and the output will be displayed. Now in the same way, here we are using a second technique, that is will be removing the index 0. So here we'll be removing Ravi also by just passing the index number of that. So remove function is multiple parameterized, one with value, one with index. So we will be using both them in an example, and we will see the output here. Now see, this is one simple example of array list 1. Now we will be creating another second array list with array list 2 as a name. And here we will be adding 2 names, that is Ravi and Hanuman. Same way, we already have removed Ravi here, but we have created new element, that is Ravi and Hanuman. Now here what we have done is that we have used a function called as add all. Now see, AL means array list 1 plus add all array list 2. Now we are doing concatenation, we are merging 2 different array lists. So array list 1 and array list 2 will be added together, and it will be added into array list 1. So AL means what? Base array list will be this one. New array list, that is Ravi and Hanuman, will be added into this AL, and henceforth AL will contain some more members in the list, that is Ravi and Hanuman. So we'll be displaying this AL with this 5 members and 2, and we have already deleted the first 2 members. So there will be all elements of both the list will be displayed. Now here we will be again using, just by using remove function, we can remove only one element of that array. But by using remove all, you can remove the whole array list which you have added at the runtime. So हम ये कभी भी use कर सकते हैं. This remove all will removing the whole array list. Now which array list? That is array list 2. Though it is added, but it will not consider it is a part of its AL, the AL object. It will treat it in a separate way. So here what we'll do is that we'll remove this array list which we have added, that is Ravi and Hanuman, the runtime. We are not removing one element, we are removing the whole array list. So by using remove all, we'll be removing all array lists, that is AL2, and then we'll see what exactly the output is. Then what the previous example what I have shown you, that is lambda expression. Now here we have used lambda expression for searching whether Ajay is there in this list or not. If Ajay is there, this contains function, what we have seen, it is always not that this function we have kept aside. So contains means what? Is just for the purpose of searching whether Ajay is there or not. If it is there, it will be transferred in this variable called as str. So lambda expression is nothing but a variable that is called as an expression variable, then this arrow sign, and here is your operation. So here my operation is I want to check whether in this str, if it contains Ajay or not. And what is this str? It is just a parameter we are passing from array list. So array list will be passing some value into each time. How to read this content is that array list dot remove if it means that array list contains all the elements. So that element will be transferred to this function into this. This is nothing but your lambda expression. Now this will be treated as str. Now this str means what? This str means str dot contains, means what? It contains the element. If it found it is an Ajay, immediately that function will be deleting that Ajay from this whole list of array list. So there is a single line code. If you want to write this code, it becomes very tough. You have to write one for loop and then iterator and then you have to check whether it is Ajay or not. If it is there Ajay, then remove it. So just by using one single line of code, you can search also, you can pass this as a parameter to your function, and you can remove that function, you remove that element from a function also. The thing is called as lambda expression, and I have already shared a video on lambda expression. Now this lambda expression is added in the version 8.1. So if you are using Java 1.7, 1.6, 1.5, it will never run. It will show an error, because this type of expression are used in version 1.8 onwards. So if you are using 1.8 version, it will run. If it is not there, it will not execute. It will show an error for you. So it is new thing been added. So it is my duty to bring in front of you what new things are been added into Java. So this is what the lambda expression. And here what we have done is that we have checked after removing Ajay what is remaining in the list, and finally by using a clear function we have removed all the element of your array list. So we'll go for executing this program. Two array list combining together, removing one element, removing the whole list, retrieving the list. Now see, this will be checking what exactly happens over there. Now see, initially we have the array list AL with these 5 elements. So see, we are by using system.out.println, we have shown all these 5 elements. So Ravi, Vijay, Ajay, Anuj and Gaurav, these are the 4 elements of this array list 1. So it has been displayed. So this text content an initial list of elements, so it is already displayed here, and this 5 elements are displayed by this system.out element. Okay, now here what we have done is that we have removed this Vijay. So I am using remove function and I am passing directly the value. So here what you will see in the second expression, this Vijay is there, here the Vijay is removed. So only 4 elements are there. Now here what we have done is that we have removed the index value 0. Whichever the element is there at index number 0, we are removing it. So here Ravi is at index number 0. This is Ajay as 1, Anuj as 2 and Gaurav as 3. So here in next that is system.out.println, you will find that Ravi is removed. So Ravi is no more now. Only Ajay, Anup and Gaurav will be displayed. So this has been displayed by this function. So after removing with index number, now we are creating another list, array list 2, and in array list we have added with using add function Ravi and Hanumant. Now I am display this and what I will do is that I will add, that is add all, that is I am not adding only one element, I am adding the whole elements. So now whole elements of this, if it is there, it means I am passing the array list object. So here I am passing this array list object. Now here this is only add, so only one element will be added. If you are using add all the elements will be added into this AL. Now see, we have displayed this AL. Now it is A2 will be transferred to A1. Now see the list of A1, it will be showing previous 3 elements, that is Ajay, Anup and Gaurav, that is these 3 ones, and of array list 2, that is Ravi and Hanumant will be displayed. So this is nothing but your array list 1. Now what we'll do is that we'll be using remove all. So just like add all, we'll be using remove all. So remove all means what? We'll be removing all the elements of AL2. So it will automatically check, that is array list dot remove all array list 2. So array list 2 contains Hanumant and Ravi. So here you will find after using a remove all function, these 2 things, that is Ravi and Hanumant, are removed, and you will get only these first 3 elements, that is Ajay, Anuj and Gaurav. Okay. Good. Then we'll go move further. Now this iteration. Now this iteration here, what we will be doing is that we'll be removing element of the base. That means we will be searching whether Ajay is there. If Ajay is there, then we'll be removing that Ajay with using a function called as remove if. Now since remove is there, remove all is there, and one more remove is there, there is remove if. Means it will be searching whether it is there, and if it is there, it will be remove that one. So this is not haphazard programming. We are not indirectly passing and we will check. We will be doing very systematic programming. We will be checking whether Ajay is there. If it is there, then only remove that content. So by using this called as lambda expression, we have already explained how this lambda expression is been written. So now Ajay will be checked. See, in this previous example there was an Ajay is there, and it will be removed and the list will be displaying the contents. So here you will be getting only 2 elements. So Ajay, it will be searched and it will be removed from the list wherever it is there. And finally we are using this clear function, and after using this clear function all the elements will be removed and we'll getting the output as empty array list. So are you getting this one? So here the basic purpose is that we will be adding 2 array list, we will be removing the element with name, we will be removing the element with index number, we will be removing the whole array list, that is which is being added externally at the runtime, and we will be removing one element by using the lambda expression and by specific search of that element in the list. And finally we will be clearing, that we will be removing the whole contents of the array list using the clear function. So I think so you might be clear with this remove all, add all, and then remove if and clear. So these are the 4 functions, and apart from this contains function. So this is a basic example that will be demonstrating the whole functionality of your array list. Did you get this one?